Alright, Bacon Girl, let's watch YouTube.
Sure, why not?
Oh my god, it's this again.
Five.
6. No, it's not that video.
7.
Hung Who, turn off the TV.
I don't know, I think we should turn on again.
No nitrogen monoxide, 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 nitrogen monoxide. No. Please stop this now.
Turn it down.
I try. There, I did it. I don't want to watch this video anymore.
Do it loud.
No, it can be.
Stop. Dude, this is so loud. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god,
25. I'm so happy that you have been there for so much, and that you're feeling good. 25. I'm so happy that you've been there for so much, and that you're feeling good. 25. I'm so happy that you've been there for so much, and that you're feeling good.
2 more. Last one.
30 exports, it's me. That was my voice, so shut up.
It's over now.
AHH, yes, it's good to be outside.
You're right, Lego guy. Huh? What was that?
I don't know, I think. What is that sound coming from? Let me check to see what's going on.
I still need. Who keeps doing that? This is weird.
1 more. 2 more.
Hey, stop this now.
No, why would you turn the TV off?
Because you're making too much noise.
Give it back now,
No,
please, and
too
please
much
stop being an
noise
animal
for the
media
same
for this
thing.
week.
And
Please
it
be
is
a
not
good
a
person
thing
to
too,
the
it's
people and the
ugliness
world
and
for this,
bad and
please.
ugly.
That is your shit ass fucking go cry, you bitch.
Why?
Like for part 2.